What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we're gonna take a look at Tesla again and just see how big this dip is gonna be. How far is it gonna go down? Where's the bottom on this stock? We know the shorts are there, they're loving it, but we're also gonna look at the possible sale of Tesla. Somebody like Apple. Let's get into it. Before we get into the chart, I want you to know there's a link for Robinhood in the description. Use that link to sign up for Robinhood. You get a free stock, I get a free stock. It's all good. And you stand a chance to get a Berkshire Hathaway, Facebook, or Apple stock. There's gonna be a picture right on the display that shows what the odds are and everything like that of getting a free stock. But it's totally free. You can't beat it. Use that link, sign up. Okay, here we are on the 180-day chart of Tesla again. And what's glaring at you right now is this high up here back in December and this long drop down to 189.70, hit a low on the 23rd of 181, and I believe we're going back down to that low. And this video is to show you what Tesla's doing right now and also talk about the possible acquisition. I stress possible, and who may be the companies that are in the running to buy Tesla. We're gonna back this out again just to go over a recap on the 10-year chart. So you see the picture, the lows, of why I said in the last video that 180 seems to be a good support for Tesla. And in my estimation, we are going back to about 180-ish. But we're gonna get into the other segment on this video on who can buy Tesla. And we're just gonna base that off of market caps. On these four companies, we're gonna look at the market caps. And we're gonna switch over to finviz.com. Awesome screener, awesome place to go do your research on the stock. Okay, here we are on finviz.com. Finviz is an awesome place to go do research on any stock for free. Technicals, fundamentals, anything you wanna know about a stock, you can find it at finviz.com. And the best thing, it's totally free. So let's get into Apple. Apple's the first one on the list and the one that's most likely to buy Tesla, I believe. And we'll look at their market cap. They got a market cap of $826.63 billion. So they have more than enough money to buy Tesla. And I'll get into more on why I think Apple is the most likely to buy them when we get back to the chart. There's some news I want to read. But yeah, they have plenty of money, and this I think would be a great fit for Apple. Next one lists Amazon. Amazon has a market cap of $893.83 billion. So they have plenty of money. And the way I look at Amazon is they want to get to the point where they deliver all their packages. So if they could buy a Tesla, and it's true what Elon said, that they could push an over-the-air update pretty much and have all these vehicles autonomous. And he's already saying within the next year that they were gonna do robo-taxis. So this is something that Amazon might look at seriously and really think about buying Tesla. Next one on the list is Google. And you know Google already owns Waymo. They're already well into the autonomous vehicle section. They are probably the leader. Waymo is the leader as far as like the technology right now for autonomous vehicles. So they got a market cap of $771 billion. So they have the money if they want to buy a Tesla. So not necessarily saying that Google is going to go that route, but if they wanted to, they could. And the last one on the list is going to be Microsoft with a market cap of $966 billion. So they're probably the least likely to buy Tesla. I don't think that they're in that space. They're more in the cloud, but they've got the money. If they want to buy Tesla, they could do it. So we're gonna bounce back to the chart, go over a little bit more news, and we're gonna be done with this video. Okay, we're back on the chart, and we're gonna go over some news on why I believe Apple is the most likely to buy Tesla. I'm gonna pull it up here. Let's see. There's a guy named Scott Galloway. Basically, he's a marketing professor at New York University and an occasional Market Watch contributor. But Scott said that this is gonna be the year, 2019, that Tesla comes undone. And basically he goes on to say in the article that back in 2013, Apple actually made a bid to buy Tesla for $230 a share. Which that's crazy. I mean, it just came out last week. And now you see the downturn that Tesla's taken. And one of these companies, more than likely Apple, will probably step in. And Scott goes on to say that he sees the stock going down close to $100 within the next year. So I'm sure these 4 companies that I mentioned, they're going to be paying close attention to Tesla and see just what goes on. In the article, he also goes on to say that he believes that somebody's going to acquire Tesla. And he also believes that it's going to be Apple. So anybody that's looking to invest in Tesla, just keep your eye on it and watch. Watch this stock. Just like I said last video, watch it. You know, I'm saying about 180, but who knows? This thing could go down to 100. So just keep your eyes on it, watch it, and thanks for watching. And if you like the video, subscribe, hit that bell. There'll be a link to Robinhood in the description. Check that out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.